Hey there, let's dive into stabilizing your shaky clip. So, first, head over to the effects panel, look for the warp stabilizer by typing it in the search box. Once you find it, just drag and drop the warp stabilizer onto your shaky clip. It'll start analyzing and smoothing out the shakiness automatically. Now, if you are walking with your camera or something similar, this should be perfect, as it'll make your footage a lot smoother. But let's say you have a still shot in that case, just smoothing it out might not be the best solution. Instead, we can completely eliminate the motion. To do that, make sure your clip is selected and head over to the effect controls. There, you'll find the settings for the warp stabilizer effect. Click on the result, drop down, and choose no motion. This will restart the stabilizing process, and you'll notice that your footage becomes incredibly stable with very little movement. That's all there is to it for this quick tutorial. Easy, right? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.